A nation is safe when the citizens are brave and its air force is strong. Discipline, courage, and dedication are the ways that make us proud to be an Indian.
A very pleasant morning to another presenter. I feel honored to welcome our respected principal, vice principals, brothers, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear friends. We, the students of Class 6A, are going to present today's assembly on the topic Air Force Day. Let us begin this special Air Force Day by seeking the blessings of Almighty. I now invite the prayer group to lead us in prayer.
From the book of Psalms, chapter 144, verse 1. Blessed be the Lord, my rock, who trains my hands for war and my fingers for battle.
Thought shape our attitude, and our attitude shape our life. To inspire a beautiful thought this morning, I would like to invite Badri to share the thought for the day with us. Dream big, aim high, and let your hard work be your wings. I repeat, dream big, aim high, and let your hard work be your wings. Thank you. Now, let's listen to a conversation session during the Air Force Day celebration.
Sir, as we celebrate Air Force Day, could you please tell us why this day is so important?
Good morning. Air Force Day, celebrated in 8 October, marks the foundation of the Indian Air Force in 1932. It is a tribute to the courage and dedication of our air warriors.
Apart from defending the skies, how does the Air Force serve the nation?
We also do rescue missions, disaster relief, and humanitarian aid, always ready to help citizens in need.
Oh, that is inspiring. Any message you would like to share with the students?
Yes, always stay disciplined, work hard, and love your country. The future of India is in your hands. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Tribute and dedication towards our Air Masters.
In every war and every crisis, 1947, 1965, 1971 and Kargil in 1999, the Indian Air Force has fought with valor, not only in battle but also in peace. During floods, earthquakes and disasters, they save lives from above. Today, the Indian Air Force continues to inspire every Indian, reminding us of sacrifice, service and patriotism. Salute to the guardians of our sky. Salute to the Indian Air Force. Jai Hind.
I request Ram Ashwini to share her wise words.
Respected principal, vice principal, sisters, teachers and my dear students, a very warm good morning to all. First of all, I would like to congratulate the students of Class 6A and the class teacher Ma'am Daisy for their wonderful presentation. Let's give a big round of applause. Touch the sky with glory is the motto of our Indian Air Force. It reflects the Air Force's strength, disciplines, determinations to safeguard India's skies. As we know that recently IAF has successfully executed its Operation Sindoor against the Pakistan. That proved our Indian Air Force is not only protect our country, it also a powerful tool to strike our nation. Indian Air Force is pride of our nation. It always protects our skies and keeping us safe. On this special day, I wish all the students to face your challenges by confidently and work hard to achieve your goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A pleasant morning to one and all. We are so proud that few of our students participated in different competitions in district level and zonal level and bagged Lawrence. I request our esteemed principal, Father Joby, to present the prizes and appreciate them. Sahitya of class 6 won bronze medal in ring 6 1000-meter inline skating in district level roller skating championship. Gautam Vineet of class 10 secured first prize in light music Malayalam in cultural competitions of ASISC Kerala region. Niyati Menon of class 12 secured second place in light music English zonal level cultural competitions of ASIC Kerala region. Shreya V of class 10 secured third place in recitation English in zonal level cultural competitions of ASIC Kerala region. Congratulations dear students and thank you Father. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause.
What was the topic of today's assembly? You didn't hear? What was that? Let us thank the students of class 6A for their presentation of the assembly and the thought today. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am and father, for your valuable words. Let us honor our nation and the unwavering dedication our Air Force has put forth in serving our country. I invite Sahitya to lead us in pledge thereof the school choir for the national anthem. Pledge to the nation, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.